Alright guys, so this is the how to fix for how to fix your horn wires if they ever have a problem. Sorry about the lighting, but I can't control it here. Let me try. I don't know if you can see it, but I can't see it, so here, let me try it this way. See that little bitty 3 wires down there? Yeah, them 3 wires came out yesterday. I was trying to fix my bumper. So what you do is basically you go to Walmart, buy one of these EverStart kits, not sponsored by the way. You take it. I took this little let me see, I don't remember if it's 4 gauge or it's 12 gauge. So you take the 12 gauge wire, you cut a little bit off of it, take the 2 connectors. I don't know if I can still see it. But down there, right there on the left is where the wire is. Take that, put it into the connector, clamp it in there, and then you put the connector back in there, and you're gonna have to take the grill off. You're gonna have to take the grill off in order to do this, or try and take the headlight out to see if you can get any more room in there. I can't take mine out because that one little screw is holding me up. So, but literally, all you need is literally this kit, wire, snippers, screwdriver, maybe not the pliers, put those back, the wire stripper, and some little bit of red wire, and make sure you have both connectors on it. Test them first, and that's how you fix it. And hold on, I'll show you that it works. Watch. So now they're together. Take your key or whatever if you have a horn. Now it works. Yeah. Try that again, maybe I'll get a better sound. That first one was what it's supposed to sound like. See, this is what it sounds like without it. You hear the relay clicking? That means your relay works. And it's always, see, you go into your box. Actually, I don't think it's this one. My bad. Go in your little power box here. It's going to be 1, 2, always the 3rd one down. This is your horn relay right here. Right there. And that's how you fix it.